Good morning and namaste everyone. About yesterday's vlog, I am very sorry I could not finish at the end because I slept super late. I was watching four matches, so in total there were four matches, and it's going to be everyday scene. Forgot about it, about end. A nice game. USA played fine, one, and now since it's the next day in the morning, time to rush. And Ira and Aarti still sleeping. It's going to be 8 o'clock and we are very late. I have no idea about them. I'm going to have my breakfast and run away. I have work. So the shoot area that I was talking about, the shoot that I usually do is this area. This is the entire space of my studio. So here where my shoot happens usually. Most of the time my shoots are only on product base, and this is the place that I have. This is my studio, so welcome every time that I say good morning. That's my studio. So back to what we do, his routine. So one of the oldest temple in Panjim. My dad was the founder and things like that. So one of the member also. And a lot of things in this. If you don't, as I said, if you don't do your planning properly in Panjim, you end up, going back and forward, and that's what happened to me now. It's the weather is so shady outside. It's not even 5 o'clock. It's 4:30 and it's dark, pitch dark. You can see the lights I have on the lights and everything. But now back to the traffic and Panjim. Show you the. I'm going to show you the weather how it is. It looks like it is going to rain. See outside. And this is not a good thing because this, people fall ill because of climate change. This is all in Santa Cruz and in Mirche. The high tension cable, they're putting it everywhere. It's a roadblock. There's a thing that I do. I put only power fuel or extra mileage or kind of a premium fuel on my car. I don't know whether it is right or wrong. I might spend around 2 to 3 rupees extra, but on a long run, I do know my engine and the performance are not hampered a lot. I am getting quite a good mileage. On this car, I am getting around 21. On the highway, I'm getting it around 27. That's very, very good for me. Usually, at this time, I do my shoots and everything. I don't know if I'm audible or I'm loud or not. I have no idea. But I'm just trying out. I guess it's going to shake a bit. It's shaking. I can see the little vibrations. So the thing is, my company called Educare, the institute that we started, especially Aarti who started, it's all about her idea. It's going to turn 7 years. Actually, it turned 7 years. there are some things that I'm giving, like a giveaway. It's a first giveaway because just the anniversary that we can say. Oh my god, I should have not come out, or maybe I had to plan it before. I'm stuck in a big traffic jam. A big traffic jam. I need to plan out things. So as I was saying about the giveaway, I am planning to give a giveaway. I'll let you know how it works. What is a giveaway? It's something nice and useful and anybody can use. It's a good tool. The roads. Kalta. फाटी गया था I should say lucky. My timing was good. I got in just before the traffic started and got out when the traffic was started building up. Exit time is not a big thing, but entry time inside the Panjim is a big thing at this point of time. It's going to be 5 o'clock in another 2 minutes. It just took me 10 minutes. Drove for around 5-6 kilometers and came back just to fuel. For now, we are going to see the match. Interesting match is going on. And as soon as that is done, Malika, my sister, my mom, they're gonna come. We're gonna dress up and go to our temple. It's probably around half an hour to 40 minutes of ride. I'm gonna see how it is. It's a nice view on the way, but since you're going in the night, like around 8 o'clock after food maybe, I have no idea about that. So much, you're not able to see much, but you will see the entire function maybe if I stay for later. It's a nice function that happens. Maybe next year I'll be a part of that function, just because I didn't had a religious kind of bath. You can't do anything. That's it. Got home. Gonna watch the game now. Hope you are enjoying coffee. I'm gonna have that also now. Just went to fuel and came, and I just saw the game. It's 2-1. Oh, that I missed the goals. Actually, I missed the fun what happened. I'm gonna see maybe on YouTube how the goal went. So we have reached the temple. I can't do a lot of recording because of voiceover. I don't want to do voiceover. A lot of functional things. I'll show you everything and I'll mention what it is. So enjoy. सब काले काले दिख रहे हैं मुझे। पहले डन तो फिर जाए नहीं फिर जाए घरात उभं राहा काय नका आम्ही दुसरीकडे आहे आम्ही आणि न्यू प्लेस आहे आम्ही ओके नथिंग ओके we'll finish. So in the night we are at the spot where you are going to go from Panjim from Mayem as in hello, and the other side behind me is Salim Alim Bird Sanctuary right back. चल इरा या मी पे क्रॅब दिसतो तुका पण. That's all Betim and that's old Goa. We have come to Rasoda.
फ्राईड हे असतं मध्ये शुगर
खाऊन पण चल ऑर्डर hungry whatever. Where you gonna sit over there?
If it wasn't for you, things that you do, I would be nowhere. Wasn't you, I would be nowhere.
I'm eating pan and you are asking what this. Bye. Mama is waiting here for. Thank you. Say bye. Say bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We have just got home, and now since Malika and Utkarsh is there, we're going to chit chat for a while. I'm going to start watching the game and time to say good night. Ira, say good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams.
Easy.